Here I am on a windy day, which is the reason that I'm here, part of it, because it makes that roof move around and it moves things. So if you notice, there's cracks right here that we're going to fill in and seal. It's been about 4 or 5 years since we did it last, and that's what you're going to expect. 3 to 5 years, you're going to have to come back and maintain all these areas and start ending up getting cracks. Now, some of these smaller ones, the sealant that we're using will be, this is from Lowe's, we'll be sealing in all that small cracks. So we're going to check all the way down the sides and the ends and seal it up with tar after we pull off the loose stuff. And then we're going to go back over the whole roof. If you notice, see some of it's coming through, bleeding through. And we're going to seal the whole roof with white. So not only will it be sealed, but it will reflect heat in the summertime. So that's what we're doing today, windy as it is.